everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some mango pineapple cauliflower and also some beetroot and potato salad. Now guys, this is pretty exciting. I've never had beetroot and potato together. I think they would be a good combination with the mango pineapple cauliflower. What I'm actually going to do, I'm going to bake this cauliflower today. So if you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. This is so easy, guys. Alright guys, to not let the beetroot bleed out while boiling, I'm going to boil it in its skin. What I did, I've already gone ahead and washed it already. What I'm going to do now guys is to just peel these off. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is to just give these a quick rinse off underneath my pipe and return. So pretty much you want to cut them up around the same size so all of them cook at the same time. Okay guys, so I'm going to put in my beetroot now. So you see I have two different pots here. One for the potato, one for the beetroot. Adding some salt here. So I want to cook these until they're tender, alright? Okay guys, let's work on our batter for the cauliflower wings. Here I have 1 cup of flour. To this I'm going to add in some all-purpose seasoning. Remember, we want this batter to be flavorful, right? Some black pepper. Here I have some Cajun seasoning as well. And to this, some chili powder and some salt. Now this is just an idea. If you want to add in nutritional yeast, it's up to you. Any other seasoning or spice blend that you have, you can add it in at this time. Add in my water. Yeah man, this is nice. This batter is very nice. So now I'm going to go ahead guys and I'm going to add in my cauliflower. You want to nicely coat all of these. Alright guys, I want to get yourself a nice baking tray lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat, whichever of your choice. Now here I have some panko breadcrumb as well. So what I'm going to do is to just dip these in the panko breadcrumb. And when working with a dry batter, you want to make sure one of your hands is clean. So you have one dirty hand and the other hand is a clean hand, so you can do something like that so you don't get your clean hand all butter up and stuff. I am still here guys coating the cauliflower with breadcrumb. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is to bake these at 250 degrees for 45 minutes. Okay guys, this is after 30 minutes in the oven. What I'm gonna do now is just turn them over. And these are looking, guys, these are looking so good. I'm actually pleased with how it looks. Let's take a look at our potatoes. So far, so good. See, my fork went straight through that one. So you want to make sure you just do a little check on around 3 of them or so. This is perfect. Now for the beetroot, you can use a knife if you're not sure, and you can just stick it in it. If it goes through, that means it's okay. Alright, let's make the sauce. For my mango pineapple sauce, guys, I have some mango puree. What I did is to get a mango, blend it out, strain it off to remove the fiber of the mango, or the strings, or the strand, whatever you want to call them. So right here now I have some pineapple juice, so I'm going to add it, because remember it's a pineapple mango sauce we're making. So we have fresh pineapple juice there. I have some water. I have here some sugar, some vinegar, and ketchup. And here I'm going to also add some soy sauce, just a little bit. Okay guys, so for the potato I'm going to add in some chopped onion. You can chop these fine. I have here some butter, vegan butter. I'm also going to add in some garlic. Slicing my beetroot. Okay, to my potato here I'm going to add in some mayonnaise, and I have the Herb Balance mayonnaise here using. Making our sauce now, I'm going to add in my onion, garlic, add in our sauce, and what we want, guys, is a reduction of the sauce. We don't want it to be too thick, and we don't want it to be too runny. All right, now guys, just a little suggestion here. If you don't want to use the vinegar, you can always use white wine vinegar. That has an amazing flavor as well. So we just want this to come all the way down. Okay guys, our sauce has reduced a little bit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some cornstarch, just to thicken things up a bit. Adding my sauce to my bowl here. And just nicely coat the cauliflower, guys, in the sauce. Okay guys, this is what we're working with today. We have our mango pineapple cauliflower wings here, and I must tell you, they're tasting so good. and our star of the show, or beetroot potato salad. This is so good, guys. Oh my gosh. And I'm so pleased with how it turned out. This is my first time trying this. And that's it, guys. Look how amazing things are looking right here. So for a change, guys, you can do something like this for dinner. How colorful and nice our plate is looking. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time, bye.